Morning, my dear friends. This is Achilles Tomar, and today I am going to deliver a speech on mathematics. Firstly, what is mathematics? As we all know that mathematics is a subject that is so hard. But do you know, according to me, it is not true, because mathematics is not only a subject, it is a situation and it is a love. In this situation, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, it is common. But do you know, 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, it is not common, but it is rare and it is possible with the help of mathematics. I noticed last 2 years most of the students are so weak only in mathematics as compared to other subjects. What reason? The biggest reason of it is that you can remember all subjects but not mathematics, because it is the king of all subjects and it is not so easy. If you really want to read it, then you have to read it, and you have to hard work for some days, and after some days you will notice the mathematics is so easy as compared to other subjects. I noticed many students says, once I pass 10th, then I will never read mathematics again, but they don't know, they don't know mathematics will never leave them, because nowadays mathematics is available in every government exam like Navy, Air Force, etc. If I ask to any girl, why did you not choose math after 10th like you, then he says I like art, agriculture, etc. But it is not true. In reality he does not like math. It is not true. Math does not like her. It is true, because mathematics is not so easy. She wanted to choose mathematics, but mathematics is totally out from her limit and from her understanding. Mathematics is like an Wi-Fi. You want to use it but don't know password, then you will have to hack it, and you know hacking is not possible for everyone. Do you know, I am the math student, and I was also a weak student in mathematics till class 7th, and after class 7th I took admission in Sir Rahul Bhadoria school, and after 1 year I noticed that I have developed a lot in mathematics by Ajaypal sir and Pankaj sir. So and last year I got 95 marks in mathematics, but 2 marks were detected in practical exam, so it remained 93 marks in mathematics. But I can solve every mathematics equations. That is not possible for everyone. It is possible only for 2%, 3% boys. If someone thinks I am lying, then you can compete with me. It is open challenge to all at any time. If you compete with me, then dial on 6263483300. Okay. So if someone wants to develop himself in reading, he can took admission in Sir Rahul Bhadoria school, because it is not a school, it is a clinic where students are developed by Arvind Bhadoria sir without any medicine and without beating. So I want to say, all my brothers, don't love.
If बोलिए एक बार और ताली बजा उसके लिए। अच्छा, बस बट बेटा अभी 2 चीज़ें और सीखनी है, उसको थोड़ा सीखो तो आपके इंटेलिजेंस, नॉलेज और थिंकिंग पावर में और डेवलपमेंट आएगा। फर्स्ट, ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए अपने अंदर, ठीक है कि नहीं? जैसे तुमने